Hey guys, as you see in the picture, Zepto is giving free cash plus free gifts, and I have added a sneak peek of this video. Interesting. Do check out more. Hello, namaste. How are you doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies 1. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. As you see here, you can get 150 off with 150 free cash on Zepto, and a free gift also is available on Zepto on the order value 399 rupees. So which you can claim at checkout, that which I'll show you in the later part of the video. As you see here, ice creams are starting from 40 rupees, so you can get it for 0 rupees using free cash. As you see here, it is blackcurrant and butterscotch from Dairy Day, and let me tell you, flavors are good but well too sugary. But anyways, you can enjoy ice creams of different brands on Zepto. So coming to eggs or daily needs, you can enjoy Zepto Super Saver, and you can have this 1 rupee Zepto member pass. As you see here, this is creamy treats for cats. You can get it 78 rupees on Zepto. Here I have added some clips which you may like, so don't miss this clips because you'll have fun and it's relaxing, right? So do check out Drools on Zepto at 80 rupees. So you can have it for free with free cash. Now let's check out as how to get free cash plus free gifts plus coupon on checkout. As you see here, you can go to Zepto app. As you see here, you can go down. Flash deals are available. In the evenings, you can add them to cart. You can go for new or price drop tab, as you see in the picture, and go up and add your free gift. Here I have added cable as a free gift. Okay, as shown in the video, you can confirm it and go to view cart. Once you go there, as you see here, you can select free cash 125 rupees and come down and apply coupon. As you see in the picture, you can go to coupon. So here the coupon is treat 100 to get 100 off on your order value, and many other coupons are also available which you can see in the video and apply them. You can add deals of 5 rupees as shown in the picture and check out. That's it, done. So enjoy free gifts plus free cash. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.